Colorado channel. Hello everyone. Okay, what I'm doing here, what you see, I'm preparing to get magic show later for you, all of you. Okay, so here is Tina. Welcome back all of you to come to our live and watch our live and follow our YouTube channel, Joan Colorado. So during the live, we will introduce who we are, what we do, and how our printer works. Okay, so here I'm with the 4th generation of the printer, and later I will show you how the magic comes. Yeah, okay. So here, what you see I'm doing here is the preparation for wrap the paper and stick to the roller. So later I will use this one and this one. So just simple and easy. Just a piece of blank sock and then loading up to this roller, and with the design, with any picture, with any photo I shoot, and then I just make it as the certain diameters and with the measurement. Then I will print on this single piece of the sock. Okay, so here actually it is the first step for the magic show. So you need to grab a piece of paper and wrap it to the roller. So what's the function of this one? It is because first, to protect this metal roller. Once I take off this paper, and then you see this metal of the roller still neat and clean. So I need to cover it. And why I need to cover it? Because later during printing, then the ink spray on top of the surface of the sock, but more or less the inks will spray in deep of this fiber and goes to stand on the top of this paper. If I don't cover this paper with this roller, and the color will be stained on the metal of the roller and then get it dirty. So I don't want to do that, okay? So that's why I wrap this piece of paper and then load up the sock. Yes. Hi, Nurture. Hi. Thank you. Welcome you. Welcome to follow our YouTube channel and watch our live. So here, this is the way to load up the sock. Yep. Okay, here it is done. For the loading up socks, it is done. So later you will see how it is rotating during printing and how it spray the color and how the sock will look like what I'm grabbing here now. Yeah, this is the printed sock. Yeah, so this is how it looks after printing. You see how the fresh color it is, even the green color, right? It is bright, and inside of this green, you see it is just pure color, right? Yeah. Okay, so setting is done, and I need to get this power on. Yeah. Okay, so once I load up the sock, you can see here has the device. This is the laser device for assist me to get the proper position of my setting for the sock. So you can see here, actually the sock is over the line, over this laser line, right? Yeah, so that means over the line, over this part, it could not be printed later. So what I have to do is get it proper. So get this sock aligned to this laser positioning line. Yeah, ensure it is within this printing ending line and check out for the whole round. Check out for the whole round. Yeah. Okay. And then the next tips for printing the sock is ensure, make it sure that this top of this line, it is at the center back of the sock, the actual sock. So it needs to be at the center back. So this needs to be 100% sure. And after that, we will print. I will show you how the magic comes. Okay. So here what you see, I'm standing here is our workshop. So what you are watching now is the Nimble Haishu Colorado Digital Technology Company, the YouTube channel. And we are the manufacturer for making these seamless digital printers, like what you see behind me and also beside me. Yeah, so these are the printers, what we produced. Okay, so what you are watching is the YouTube channel for Nimble Haishu Colorado Digital Technology Company. And so what you are watching now is our live broadcast. Our live broadcast will be held twice a week. So one time will be in the Wednesday Chinese time, and it will be the American time very late. It is night time around 11 p.m. on Tuesday. Yeah, and now the other time will be Chinese time Friday morning. So West American time will be the Thursday afternoon around 4 to 5 p.m. Okay, welcome all of you to subscribe us and watch our live at your convenience. Okay, here is Tina. Welcome all of you. Okay, at the first beginning, for most of the people and audience and some old audience, you know us already and you know us well. But for the new customers, the new audience, they may know nothing about us. They didn't even heard about us. So here I'd like to introduce ourselves. Here is the Nimble Haishu Colorado Digital Technology Company, and our company was established at 2015. So far it has been around already 10 years experience in the researching and manufacturing the seamless digital printers. What you see like this. Okay, so for this designed the seamless digital printer, it is mainly for printing the items of the neat tubular items, like what you saw just now, the basic item application sock. Yes, so beside the sock, you also have the kind of application like the sleeve covers. Yeah, sleeve covers. And also nowadays it is more and more popular for ladies' fitness, like the outfit. So yoga, the seamless yoga suit, the seamless yoga wear, like the tops, the bras, and the leggings, shorts. If it is the knitting tubular items, it will be suitable to be printed by our printer. And our printer are designed for a various model. So with different applications, you will have this different model of the printer. And what you are seeing now, it is our third generation of the printer. And just now at the first beginning, what you saw, what I was doing there for the practicing uploading, that was the fourth generation, so with 2 rollers. And here it is with the 4 rollers. So what I'm grabbing here in my hands, so this is for the seamless yoga t-shirt. Yeah, it is with the yoga t-shirt. And like this one. Yeah. So this is the yoga shorts. So it is seamless. But someone will ask, hey, it has seam at the crotch as for these two legs. Yes, it is indeed, it is seams, but when it's still, it is semi-finished. Once it is still a tube, it is a seamless tube. So you could see the inside is the black, is the white color, right? So once you get it, you just get a tube, a white tube for us. And after printing, and then you can do the cut and sew with the seams. So that's why we call it seamless. Seamless. Okay, so besides these seamless yoga shorts, yoga wear, and t-shirt, bras, you also can print like these barf scarves. Yeah, the barf scarves. So once you go outdoor sports, it will be good for you, and it will keep warm for your neck. And also once you are sweaty, and you can just take it off and wrap it to your wrist, and then once you're sweaty, and then get your sweaty down. Yeah. So here is the applications of various applications by printing with our printers. So different application, different model of the printer. So just see what is your exact requirements, okay? Okay, so that is who we are. So with our company, we have already experienced for 10 years for manufacturing the seamless digital printer. And also, we have been researching and developing the upgrade printer, like what you saw already so far. It is already developed for the 4th generation of the printer. And from the 1st generation of the printer, we were keep running with the printing mode as the flat scanning printing mode, instead of the current one, the spiral printing mode. Yeah, so from the 2nd generation of the printer, the technology improved and the technology upgraded to the spiral printing mode instead of the flat scanning. So from the printing speed, it was improved a lot since the 2nd generation of the printer. Well, the 1st generation and the 2nd generation of the printer, from the outlook, from the workload of this operator, it is quite the same. So at that time, the operators do have a lot of workload to do with the 2nd generation of the printer, needs to do with some long roller. And later, we wanted to release the labor with the workload for the operator. Then we developed with this 3rd generation of the printer, and you could see it has 4 rollers. So from the efficiency of the production, it improved a lot. And also, except the efficiency for the production of the output for the printing item, also the workload from the operator released a lot. So the operator just standing here at this position, it is the working place, and no need to offload this roller anymore, because now the roller is already fixed to the machine. And with this center drive model, it is just drive these rollers automatically after one printing job is done. So it will be from this position for printing, and after that it will turn to my position for me to offload this printed stock, and then the one coming from the backwards to this printing mode again for printing, and I could have the time to reload up the new stock for the next printing job. So from the workload, it released a lot for the labor, for the operator. That's why the efficiency for the production also improved. So that is one aspect of the advantage for the high efficiency for production. Okay, so with this kind of the experience of the researching and development for our keep researching for the upgraded printer, then we designed for the multiple model of the printer for different designs. And except this upgraded printer, we also committed to enhance the capability for the software. And so far, we have already launched the visual system. Yeah, the visual positioning system of the software to use the camera, take the picture of the colored part of your applications once it is not being printed, and then scan the image with the actual shade. And after during printing, it will just skip over to the previous, the camera scanned image shape. So only prints accurately to the blank color, so white color part. So with this, the visual positioning system, and we can use different designs and also different color of the blank sock. So from the previous market, which with the printed sock always have the black hue and tone, and now changed, we could have the chance, have the opportunity to use the colored part of the hue and tone. So that one, we enlarge a wide range for this seamless digital printing socks in the market. And also besides, this year, we just launched the new software of the upgraded one of AutoPrint. So the AutoPrint could support the POD file. So even with your customization sock printing, it is workable. Yeah, okay. So here we are now trying to start this machine and later for us using. And we will try to let you see how amazing the printing quality it is. Okay? So you can see now it is under checking. It is under checking if the print head, the height is suitable or not. Now we're doing the preparation, and we will see. And also here you can see this is our software. So our software actually use the top brand of the domestic printing software, and also with the RIP file, the RIP software, we are using the new Stampa. So the new Stampa actually is a very famous Spanish brand. This new Stampa is the top brand of the Spanish brand, and with the wider color range. So once you're reaching the RIP file and ensure the color will be So here, this is the file. We need to go for ripping, and here we need to be sure. So here we need to be sure the proper ICC profile needs to be selected. So you can see actually we have so many ICC profiles listing there to be sure that you have the best, the color printing solution. Okay, then let's check out which the proper ICC file we need to use. This will be for the polyester one, and okay, so this is the proper ICC profile. It is. Okay, we choose this one, and we go for ripping. 文档低轮。And now it is ripping, and now ripping is done. Okay, so here what you see, this is the last night we printed. So you can see how the color it is, right? The color of this part of this printing, the yellow color, it is more like the neon color, right? It's so bright. Now you see the color. It is bright, so vibrant, and even the light color inside of this pineapple, you see, it is very impure color. And also with the gradient color from the yellow, it is gradient of the background. You see the background color. It is gradient color changing. Okay, so this is 这个是8色，是不是？刚才你8色的这个打了吗？打了呀。这个是什么？这个8色，这个这个不知道，你看这点点。我感觉都有，哎呀，都有点。估计这个是8色。这个不是同一个东西吧？是的，这是8色。这是8色。啊 ，Okay. So here actually we could see. Yeah. So from these two, actually you could see the difference actually. So here let's see. Yeah, let's check out. So have you found any difference from this image? And here actually it is the full colors printing solution. Here is the full colors solution, printing solution. And for the light color, if without the comparison, and then once you see it, it is still a very nice one, right? It is still very nice one because the gradient color, the edge is clear, and the line, the printing line is sharp and clean. And also here for the bright color, it is so vibrant. Well, once we do the comparison with this one, then things changed. You see, you see here from the gradient color, that one is with tiny small details could be seen through, and the color of the gradient color, it's so in detail. And here at this part, and you could see here it still have the color dot, right? It still have the color dot. Well, this one, it's nothing. It is nothing. So from the color details, the 8 colors printing solution is much better than this one, than the 4 colors. So with different level of the color of the customer's requirements, and then you could choose different printing solution for customers, especially once you do the customization sock printing. So here this is with the 8 colors printing solution, and we compare with the 4 colors printing solution. You could see how good the color now it shows. And even the so light color here of this cream color, you could not see the color dot anymore. But here, once you enlarge it and zoom in, and you see here, it has so many other colors dots existed there, right? But here, it is nothing. It is nothing. Okay. This is how it prints. See? Okay. So let's offload it. So this is the polyester one. This is the polyester sock. Okay. I'd like to hang it here for later heating up. And let's try others. Okay, so let's do it. Here we go. Everything set it up, and we got the designs we wanted to print, and we load up the sock first. And ensure here, this heel part cannot be just standing out, have to be flat. So it is flat and plain and flat, okay? Yeah. And check out the whole round if the setting is proper. If the setting is proper, and then we back to the center line of this center back of the heel. So this is the starting point later. Okay. 这个电脑能放在上面吗？不能。我不要这个图。我们刚才瑞的那个图是在哪里的？这个只是仿 stance 的，对吧？不是那个图很长。这个。还有没日的，还有日的。这个是这52了，那个47。那我们把它推到52去好了。没事，你打也可以，反正它是循环图嘛，超出来也没关系。不，那我们把它 给我一个尺子。Okay, so according to the proper design measurement, I need to be sure this sock will be stretched to the proper measurement. So that artwork is like 55 centimeters. So I have to be sure it's with the 55 centimeters. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So here, and then I need to do this one also. Yeah. Okay. Then choose the proper artwork and then print. So you see now it's spraying the ink. Yeah, so once after printing, actually, now you see it is switched automatically. So I don't need to do anything. What I need to do is just offload it. Just offload it. So now you just see, this is after printing. So no ground color, right? But later I can do the magic for you. So I will turn these colors to be visible. Yeah. But I need assistance actually. So I need the heating oven to assist for me. Okay, so it's very easy. It is very easy that by using this software. Here we go from the file and I choose the proper. 这个都可以吗？ So I choose here this one, all these styles. Okay. Okay. Add to print, you see. I choose the artwork, what I wanted to print, and then add to print. So here, you see, the ready for print job list is here, is laying with all the artworks I choose. Okay, so here we go. From this one, go for print. Go for print. So this artwork, I know the length a little bit short, so I need to adjust this. So during this is under printing, I need to load up the new sock. So that is what the operator needs to do all the time. Yeah, so set up this sock in proper way and check out the whole round if it is with proper position, and then back to the center back of the heel, and then once it is finished printing, this ready for print will go automatically to the printing position, and then this printed one will back to me. Yeah. Okay, so for me to offload it, and I can continuously working. So one is printing, one is setting up. So let's see who is faster. I am faster or the machine is faster. Let's see. Let's compete. Okay? And now it seems I am a little bit faster. But let's wait till the end. So who can smell at the end? Let's figure out.我们现在设置的是一个图打多少？2只吗？我们现在设置的是一个图打2只。可不可以让它一个图接一个图，一个图接一个图，中间不停顿的？我现在需要摁哪个图？
打的这根线还是这个啊？
哦。哎，你现在不要点哦。OK。这个是 embroidery 的这个 effect 吗？绣花的吗 ？I can see all. Yeah, now it's the spring season here in China, so all the kind of the flowers blossom. It is really nice, but we could not see how the outlook of the final outlook it is. But we need to wait, and this magic, you need to be patient to see later once the oven is ready. Okay, and. So during it is printing, and I just load up the sock for it is keep running to ensure that it will be the continuously working. Okay, so you see. Now I'm a little bit faster, right? So I'm ready for the new printing job, but it is still under printing. So give me a little bit time for relief. Okay, so now one piece of the sock is after finished for printing. Switch to my position and offload it. So just that easy, just that simple and easy, okay? And now you see the colors. The colors maybe not that much vibrant, bright enough, but it is due to now it is not heating up yet. Now 这个袜子吧。这个是52。对的，这些图都是47的嘛。可以。 So once you, here I'd like to show you a little bit tips. And once you load up this sock, and actually during it is knitting, you could see the gouge. You could see the knitting gouge, right? And then you need to be sure once you load up this sock to the roller, and this gouge line needs to be straight. Yeah, needs to be straight. So you see here, I could see clearly the gouge for the center back of the heel at the sock. So I need to get it aligned to be straight. Yeah, and here you see the heel part is standing out, right? So this is no, this is not working. So you have to stretch a little bit and then ensure it is flat. Okay, and now it will be fine. Yeah, and then we check it out. The whole round needs to be with the proper setting position. Remember? Yeah, if you set up over the line, it will not be printed. So just ensure the whole round will be proper setting. Okay, here we go. And print this one. Okay, so this is all the printed steps. So you see, even I'm doing other things and it will not stop. Here it is keep continuously working. So I need to rush up and setting. Yep, setting is down. I have to be quick to catch up the speed of the printer. Okay, so during this printing time, it will just won't stop. The printer won't stop. And when it's done, and actually here you will see it is kind of the leaves and with the embroidery effect. So let's figure out how it looks like. I will show you. Don't worry, just be a little bit patient with us and we will show you how it looks like. And now it's the new design. So we change another design to show you different effects. So actually during the real production, the operator have to be rushed out to catch the speed for the printer.小张啊，帮我拿一些那个袜子。小陈，帮我拿袜子。打印的。Okay, so what you are now seeing is Colorado. Here is Tina. Welcome all of you to watch our live. And during the live, we introduce who we are, what we do, and how our printer works. And at this moment, I'm doing the operation. So to running with this printer and show you how it works and how the printing looks like. So during this printing, what kind of the tips it is and what kind of the issue it might coming out to avoid it. So if you are just coming to our channel and just coming to watch our live broadcast, you may know nothing about us, but here I'm Tina. Nice meeting you all. And what I'm doing now is setting up the sock to print it. Yeah. So here, what you see, it is our 4th generation of the printer. CO60 110, 100 Pro. And with this printer, we could print for the sock. And what I'm now doing is printing the sock. Okay. So here, actually, you see the color stained to the paper, and it will stain the balance sock of the white color inside, because our sock is white color, and inside, to avoid it is stained with the ink, and I have to replace this paper. So throw it away. And get this one. 这个轴为什么脏了？
这轴吗？不是很正常吗？脏啊。
那到时候怎么给它洗？
擦一下好了。这个涂一会儿，长一会儿，长得刺客一样的。
然后这个让它这个转，我那个能用吗？
哪个转？
我让它转回来，等一下里面那个要转出来。
这个。
啊。Okay, so actually here, this is the first step. This is the first step. So wrap this paper. To wrap this paper. Yeah. So wrap it and then fix it by using this tip to fasten the paper and ensure it will not move during printing. Okay, one is done. Let's do another. Do another one. Okay. So this is kind of the tissue paper. This is the tissue paper. So with the double-side adhesive tape at the edge, and then wrap to the roller properly, but have to be tightness. Have to be tighter. Cannot be too loose, otherwise it moves, and then it will impact later the printing image quality. So ensure it is fastened. And then yep, okay. The paper is setting. The paper is finished for setting. And now I need to load up the sock. So loading up the sock, you need to be sure it is with this straight gouge aligned from the top to the end. Okay. And then the whole round will be the proper setting at the printing end line and back to the start point, so at the center back of the sock. So the heel part will be the center back, and we choose a piece of design. Yep. So we will print this design, and one is setting up. We roll it to another roller, back to our position, and do the setting. Okay, check the whole round if it is with proper position. If it is yes, okay. Here we go. Okay, print start. And what we're now using for this printer, it is set up with the 4 heads. So you see, there's 4 heads position. And we set up with the 8 colors of the ink to be sure the color will be perfect. Yeah, now it is finished printing. So even now it is without heating up, the color is not pumping out, but you could see even the very thin color, the line, it is still could be visible, right? It is still could be visible. Okay, now finished. So these are the printed sock just after printing and not finished yet. And later, we still need to be done with the heating. So heating actually is the last step for the polyester sock. Okay, so someone might ask, now it is just printing for the polyester, and if it can be printed on the cotton, on the bamboo, on the nylon, on the wool material, the answer is definitely yes. Just different material, different ink, and different material use different the process. Yeah. So just now what we printed, these one are the polyester material. So for the polyester material, the process, the printing process is just 2 steps. Like what you saw just now, printing is the first step, and later heating up, it is the second process. So it is the second step with the socks sent to the oven for heating up. Yeah, so heating is the second step, and it is the last step for polyester. Just simple and easy, right? And after heating up, all these colors will just pump out to be bright, as what you're seeing here in my hand, like this color. Yeah. So even with your pet, your lovely cat, you can just make the design and print on the sock. So why we need to do this seamless digital printing socks instead of the normal jacquard socks? Yeah, here I can show you how the difference it is. What I'm holding in my hand, it is just normal jacquard sock. It's only 3 colors involved, but inside you see how mess it is. How mess it is. It's too much loose threads, right? Well, with doing this seamless digital printing sock, inside it's neat and clean, neat and clean. And also, by doing this seamless digital printing sock, it is no limitation for the colors. Even it is multiple colors involved, even it is the gradient color involved, it's still possible to do. But this jacquard, normal jacquard socks, it could not. It has the color limitation, right? Okay, so from these 2 aspects, and we are doing more like this seamless digital printing sock instead of the jacquard. And also from the innovation wise, we do every design, every kind of the innovations ideas creations, you could just make it to be reality, print on your sock. But normal jacquard sock, you could not. And the pattern is certain. And the last thing, the fourth thing of the disadvantages compare with this jacquard sock to this seamless digital printing sock is the MOQ. And this one has the MOQ, while this one has no MOQ at all. So from these four aspects, to compare with the jacquard sock, this seamless digital printing sock has much more advantages, right? Hope you can agree with me. Okay, here is Tina, and what you're watching now is the YouTube channel, Joan, Colorado, Ningbo High School, Colorado Digital Technology Company. Here is our channel. Hope you can subscribe us and follow us. Yeah, so our live broadcast will be held twice a week. And today, that's it. Hope can see you next time. Okay, goodbye for now. See you next time.